Ayan, hello guys, and welcome to my channel. This is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog, lipid lang ang katapat. But before that guys, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. So today we're gonna talk about APAM. So what is APAM? Ayan. Ano nga bang APAM? Ayan, ang APAM. So guys, we're gonna tackle today it's where and what means is APAM and where they came this word APAM. Okay, mga kalindog, I need to tell this because when I'm always making a live or I'm live streaming mostly with my followers or with my subscribers is from USA, Europe, and other country. Mostly here, okay, let's say mostly it's foreigner or APAM. So because sometimes we using the APAM in my live, so some of my friends or some of my followers or my subscriber ask me, "Hey Roha, what it means APAM? This APAM." Okay, now I will explain you what it mean the APAM. Okay, APAM it's a street word. Okay, it's a street word or a kaling salita in the Philippines. APAM is a foreigner around Manila. You see, A is F is a foreigner, and AM is a around Manila. Okay, that's it right. Around Manila. Okay, yeah, that's right. APAM is a foreigner around Manila. That is the beginning, or that is mean, or what is means APAM. So this word, it came from the people or what do you call it? It's a friends. They wanna hook or they wanna have a friends from the Philippines, for example, in Manila. Because in Manila there's a lot of foreigners, you know. So if somebody wanna hook or wanna be friends with a foreigner, they try to hook, especially in Makati. So that's why they said always, okay, because I cannot say because somebody they wanna say, okay, let's search a foreigner. So because you know it's a little bit Filipino, it's a little bit they use the other word, so they keep in the other in the, what do you call that, the words for example very it's not aggressive, but okay, let's say it's they make a little bit slight, for example, because when you search, come on, let's search a foreigner, it's like a, you know, when you say like that in the Philippines, they think other words or other thinking. Okay, so let's say that's why they change APAM. Okay, let's go search APAM. Or they said, oh, he has an APAM. This is they have an advantage, the APAM, and disadvantage of APAM in the way how you use it. By the way, that is the words APAM. Okay, this APAM is begin in Manila, I think. Yeah, for example, that because APAM is in the Philippines, when you heard APAM, for example, they think always this is a white or let's say the chocolate color. It means foreigner. Okay, the foreigner is APAM. That's why they called a foreigner around Manila. Because when you have a APAM in the Philippines, they think always they have money. Okay, let's say the APAM is, yeah, I agree that APAM, because this foreigner, if they going in the Philippines, if you compare with the pesos to Europe $2, if you change in the pesos, it's a little bit more. And you know, this foreigner, they go to the Philippines, they want to visit like the beautiful places. For example, the beaches, or for example, of course, they want some fun. they want some fun, especially in Manila. They have a lot of, you know, Philippines is it's very friendly. Okay, let's say that we are very friendly and very hospitality. So that's why when the foreigner come there or came, they think, you know, we are very, you know, for me, that is for me, we are very, very hospitality. And the other, they think, you know, but the other foreigner, they try to, you know, but anyway, that is not our topic today. The topic is what means is this APAM. So now you know what is this APAM. By the way, we're gonna tackle next time. We have part 2 for this a foreigner around Manila, or means APAM. We're gonna tackle about it is APAM. It's they can help you or not, because not all the APAM it's you know, it's also the same like here, because most of the foreigner, they are working, so that's why they're working hard, and then after they have the vacation, they try to spend the money. They try to spend the money in the vacation for vacation. That's it. Especially in Italy, we're using that. They try to hard work for the vacation. That's why these all foreigner, when going to other country, they have the money they spend. It's actually they try to hard work for them. Well, by the way, that is for the money they can spend wherever, where they want to spend. So we're gonna tackle next time in second in part 2, APAM is a they can help you or not. Well, I'm gonna tell you, APAM is okay, Europe or America, it's not like the culture is different, guys. Hindi siya, or they're not like a Filipinos, because we are Filipino. When we are have a work, we are trying, or we always help the family. But the culture from the other country, or especially Europe and America, that is different culture, guys. Kaya wag niyong isipin or don't think when you have a APAM, you're already, it's a good life. Not true, not real. Okay, but we're gonna tackle that. It's next what do you call that, next time on part 2. So APAM, I just only explain with you what it mean, the APAM, and where begin this word APAM. So now you know already, APAM is a foreigner around Manila. That's why they called APAM. A-F-A-M. A is a, F is a foreigner, A is around, and M is a Manila. So that is the beginning, or the word APAM. So this APAM is a street name in Manila, guys. So all my friends, or all my subscriber, especially from America, you know what it mean already, APAM. Okay, APAM is a foreigner around Manila. So when you hear in my live or in other streamer, especially Filipinos or Filipinas, they use APAM, it means that is a foreigner, because foreigner is always what do you call that? They go to Manila to spend the money for fun. That's why they called APAM. Okay, so guys, I hope it's all clear. Or did you enjoy what is our what we tackle today, or what is our tema, and about this APAM. So by the way, next time we're gonna explain, or we're gonna tackle about second or part 2 of APAM. Okay. I hope did you it's clear my explanation. Even my English is it's not so clear, or paulit-ulit. Well, I explained this only for the foreigner in my live stream, guys, not for the Filipinos, because you know, Americans or Europe, when even our English is not perfectly good grammar, they try to understand what is it important. The thought is in that is in there. Okay, that's it. So APAM, a foreigner around Manila. Okay, that is mean APAM. APAM is a street words. So guys, thank you. I hope did you enjoy my video for today. So next time we're gonna make, or we're gonna elaborate APAM part 2. If APAM is a good, or they can help us. Okay, so bye. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. Bye.